Hi guys. Hey, wanted to shoot you a quick little video of my FMS 1/18 scale Chevy truck K10. It finally moves. Huge thanks go out to FMS because I got this quite a while ago, but the motor quit on the second time I drove it, and so I went ahead and got a hold of FMS, and they were really cool about sending me a replacement motor. In fact, I think it's even an upgrade motor. It's normally a silver can, little silver can motor, and what they sent me was black one with like a it's got some kind of like a circuit board or something on it, but very cool. I love this truck. It looks real similar to my full-size Chevy that I used to have. This truck will not hit the rocks because I do not want to screw this thing up. It's the only complaint I got about it. The backup lights don't stay on full time like they should. They only come on when you back up. That's kind of bad because they're not actually backup lights. They're red tail lights. But oh well, what do you do? But yeah, I had one just like this, except it was maroon and white, but it was the long bed, and man, I love square body Chevys. So yeah, like I said, just huge thanks go out to FMS for hooking me up with a replacement motor. That was awesome. Finally got around to getting it changed today. I've just got so many things I need to get done, and I just don't get them done. But anyway, she's done now, and boy, I'm really liking her. So, well guys, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Glad you found it. And guys, stay tuned for more cool stuff to come. Doing a lot of racetrack work. I'm gonna have some updates on that, and be getting the crawler course here going, along with a lot of other stuff. So, alright guys, thanks, take care, have a good day, bye.